Hi, thank you for having me. My name is Cecilia Gunadi. I am the co-author of this paper. This paper is titled Governance Structure, Tax Avoidance, and Firm Value. This paper will also be presented by other co-authors, namely Olivia Arianto Putri and Feren Priscilia Dinata Tobing. So, let's get started. In an agency theory concept, the management holds more and better information than shareholders. Based on this information, the management may act aggressively without involving the shareholders as the company's owner. Tax avoidance can increase firm value, but on the other hand, tax avoidance increase agency cost and reduce the firm value because investors react negatively to their actions. Therefore, involving independent directors and audit committee for public firms is an effort to involve external parties to carry out supervisory activities on the firm's management by management. Large board size is considered to increase the distribution of supervisory function of strategic decision making by executive management. From the perspective of corporate governance, the board diversity factor, namely the existence of both men and women in the organizational structure, is a benchmark that can strengthen the corporate governance structure. Another element of good corporate governance that can affect firm value is the independence of the commissioners board. Independent commissioners could increase firm value through neutral behavior and professional expertise, which can also minimize agency conflict, limit transactions that only benefit certain parties, and provide resources for the firm and management. Another element that is also a part of corporate governance is the existence of an audit committee. The more audit committee in the firm, the more effective it is to control and thus limit management to avoid aggressive taxes. Based on the description above, the study's additional value is to examine the effect of the elements of good corporate governance, both directly influence on firm value and indirectly through tax avoidance as mediation. Agency theory investigates the significance of separation between owner and management in managing a firm. This theory finds that there is information asymmetry when the management prioritizes its interests by doing tax avoidance. That can be minimized by implementing the right corporate governance elements, such as transparent disclosure of information to provide good value for the firm. Signaling theory explains how the firm reduces information asymmetry by disclosing information in financial statement as a signal to outsider or user of financial statement. As a signal provider that sends a signal to recipient, the firm will provide feedback through its perception. The management can give positive signs to the market, one of which is tax avoidance, which is expected to increase the market share price and increase the firm value.
In our research, we have 13 hypotheses. The first hypothesis is birth size has a negative effect on firm value. The second hypothesis is independent board of commissioners has a positive effect on firm value. The third hypothesis is board diversity has a positive effect on firm value. The fourth hypothesis is audit committee has a positive effect on firm value. The fifth hypothesis is board size has a negative effect on tax avoidance. The sixth hypothesis is independent board of commissioners has a negative effect on tax avoidance. The seventh hypothesis is the number of female directors has a negative effect on tax avoidance. The eighth hypothesis is audit committee has a positive effect on tax avoidance. The ninth hypothesis is tax avoidance has a negative effect on firm value. The tenth hypothesis is tax avoidance mediates the relationship of board size to firm value. The 11th hypothesis is tax avoidance mediates the relationship of independent commissioners to firm value. The 12th hypothesis is tax avoidance mediates the relationship of board of final directors to firm value. Finally, the 13th hypothesis is tax avoidance mediates the relationship of the audit committee to firm value. Our research used purposive sampling technique to choose our sample, and therefore we get 132 firms in manufacturing industries, which consist of industrial and chemical sector, miscellaneous industry sector, and consumer goods industry sector. Because of the outlier data, our final sample is reduced from 132 firms to 49 firms, with an observation period of 5 years, resulting in 245 observations. There are two analytical methods used to test our hypothesis. To examine hypothesis 1 to 9, we use multiple regression analysis. And to determine whether the tax avoidance variable was able to significantly mediate each independent variable to dependent variable which is from value, the Sobel test in path analysis is used.
Okay, so research result and analysis in the study that the indicator of good corporate governance that has a positive effect is the independent of commissioner. Which means independent of commissioner increases firm value through behavior and personal expertise. So this result supported the study of Tanmozi and Sadidaran. Another positive effect is shown by tax avoidance and firm value, where hypothesis 9 was rejected because the result show a positive effect, which means contradicted in the study of Ningtyas et al., who found a negative relationship. And next, board size has a negative effect to tax avoidance, which means the higher ETR value, which indicate the lower level of tax avoidance. And so this result contradicted in the study of Lanis and Richardson. So independent of commissioner has a positive effect to tax avoidance, which means the lower ETR value, which indicate the higher level of tax avoidance. And the last relationship is board diversity has a negative effect to tax avoidance, which means the more diverse the gender on the board, which indicates the higher ETR value and the lower level of tax avoidance. So these results supported the study of Hosseini et al., Jarboy et al., and Frankis et al. So the mediation test results using path analysis with Sobel test couldn't prove that tax avoidance can be intermediary to increasing the firm value. And the conclusions in this study are the firm that implements corporate governance hopes to control tax avoidance in increasing firm value, and dependent of commissioner was a very significant element in increasing firm value while preventing tax avoidance. And so the firm is very careful that in implementing tax avoidance because saving money might be beneficial in the short term, but the firm predict the long-term impact of tax avoidance that can damage firm image. Last but not least, the study limitation was that the indicator of corporate governance structure measure on the number of member, and we hope future research use other proxies in describing corporate governance, such as using board proportion. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention and see you.